Hi, my name is Alexander, and I'm a TECM Tech Lab Assistant at the University of North Texas, and today I will be going over your IMRad report. In this orientation, we will be using Microsoft Word, and we will be building an outline for y'all to use for your report. The main learning objectives of this orientation we'll show y'all how to format an IMRad report, how to use different types of page breaks, how to use styles, how to insert a table of contents and bibliography, how to insert captions, and how to insert citations. And so first off, we need to begin by opening Microsoft Word. First, we need to turn on our visual aids. So select the Show Hide icon. Now open the View tab and select Navigation pane in the Show section. Now we need to create a cover page. So on this first page, type Cover Page. Then press Enter and open the Layout tab. Open the Breaks drop-down menu and then select Page and scroll down to the new page. Now we need to create a Table of Contents page. So on this new page, type Table of Contents. Once you've done that, open the Home tab and apply the Heading 1 style from the Style section. And then press Enter. And then open the Layout tab and open the Breaks drop-down menu. Select Page and scroll down to the new page. Now, on this new page, we need to create a table of figures. And so type Table of Figures, then open the Home tab, apply the Heading 1 style, press Enter, and open the Layout tab. Then open the Breaks drop-down menu, select Page, and scroll to the new page. Now we need to create an abstract page. So at the top of this new page, type Abstract. Open the Home tab, apply the Heading 1 style, and press Enter. Now open the Layout tab, open the Breaks drop-down menu, select Next Page, and scroll to the new page. Now we need to create an introduction page. So on this new page, type Introduction. Then open the Home tab and apply the Heading 1 style. Then press Enter and open the Layout tab. Next, you need to open the Breaks drop-down menu and select Page, and then scroll down to the new page. Now we need to create a Methods page. So at the top of this page, type Methods. Then open the Home tab and apply the Heading 1 style. Then press Enter and open the Layout tab. Now open the Breaks drop-down menu and select Page, and scroll to the new page. Now we need to create a Results and Discussion page. So at the top of this page, type Results and Discussion. Then open the Home tab and apply the Heading 1 style. And then press Enter and open the Layout tab. Then open the Breaks drop-down menu and select Page. Once you've done that, scroll down to the new page. Now we need to create a Conclusions and Recommendations page. So at the top of this page, type Conclusions and Recommendations. Once you've done that, open the Home tab. Apply the Heading 1 style, and then press Enter. And then open the Layout tab, open the Breaks drop-down menu, and select Page, and then scroll to the new page. And on this page, we'll need to type bibliography at the top of the page. Once you've done that, open the Home tab, apply the heading 1 style, and press enter. Next, we need to label our running headers. So click Introduction in the navigation pane. Now double-click into the top margin of this page to open the header. And then type report title, and then press the tab key twice. Ensure the Header and Footer Tools Design tab is open, and deselect Link to Previous. And then now we need to insert page numbers, so ensure that your cursor is on the right side of report title, and open the page number drop-down menu. Then click Current Position, and select Plain Number. Now we need to format our page numbers, so open the Page Number drop-down menu, and click Format Page Numbers, and select Start At, and ensure that 1 auto-populates in this field. And then click OK. Now we need to insert our front matter page numbers, so click Table of Contents in the navigation pane. Double-click into the header, and place your cursor at the right margin. Now open the Page Number drop-down menu, and click Current Position. Select Plain Number. Now we need to format our front matter page numbers. So open the Page Number drop-down menu, click Format Page Numbers, open the Number Format drop-down menu, and select the lowercase Roman numerals. Once you've done that, click OK. And then select Different First Page in the Header and Footer Tools Design tab. Now we need to insert placeholder text. So click Introduction in the navigation pane, and place your cursor after Introduction and press Enter. And then type $RAND, open bracket, 15, close bracket, and then press Enter. Now we've just generated 15 paragraphs of random text. And so now we need to create a subtitle. And so click Introduction in the navigation pane. Ensure the Home tab is open. And place the cursor after the words "to make your document" in the second paragraph. And then press Enter. And then press the up arrow key and apply the heading 2 style from the Style section. Now we need to create a custom color. So open the Font Color drop-down menu and select More Colors. Then open the Custom tab, if it's not already open, and change the R to 5, change the G to 155, and the B to 51. And then click OK. Now we need to modify our heading 1 fonts. So highlight Introduction and change the font to Seago UI. And then you'll need to change the font size to 18 point. Now open the Font Color drop-down menu and select the dark green in the Recent Colors section. Now we need to modify our heading 1 paragraph settings. So open the Paragraph Settings menu and change the before spacing to 0 point. And then click OK. And now we need to right-click the heading 1 style in the Style selection. And we need to select Update Heading 1 to match selection. So now all of our heading 1s should have the same font and the same color. And now we need to modify our body style. So highlight a line of paragraph text. And once you've done that, change the font to Cambria. And then you'll need to right-click the normal style in the style selection and select Update Normal to match selection. Now we need to add a parenthetical citation. So place your cursor before the first period in the first line. And then open the References tab and ensure the bibliography style is set to APA. Once you've done that, open the Insert Citations drop-down menu and select Add New Source. So for this source, we'll leave it as book, and underneath author, type TECM Tech Lab. In the title, type IMRad report. In the year field, type 2020. In the city field, type Denton. And in the publisher field, type UNT. And then click OK. Now we need to insert a table. So scroll to the second page of the introduction and place your cursor at the end of the filler text. And then press Enter. Then once you've done that, open the Insert tab and open the Table drop-down menu and set the table size to a 3x3 grid. Then once you've done that, right-click on the axis icon that's next to the table and select Insert Caption. Then change the position to below selected item. And then click OK. So now you should see the table 1 caption appear below the table. Now we need to insert a table of figures. So click the table of figures in the navigation pane and place the cursor after table of figures and press Enter. Then open the References tab and click Insert Table of Figures in the Captions selection. And then ensure the caption label is set to Table and click OK. So now a table of figures should appear underneath this Table of Figures section. And now we need to create a table of contents. So click Table of Contents in the navigation pane and place your cursor after Table of Contents and press Enter. And then ensure the References tab is open and open the Table of Contents drop-down menu. Once you've done that, select Custom Table of Contents and change Show Levels to 2. And then click OK. Now, update Table of Contents, or we need to update our Table of Contents. So right-click the Table of Contents and click Update Field and select Update Entire Table and click OK. So now if you make any changes throughout the document later on, this is how you update your Table of Contents to reflect those changes. So now we need to insert a bibliography. So click Bibliography in the navigation pane and place your cursor after Bibliography and press Enter. And then once you've done that, ensure the References tab is open. Open the Bibliography drop-down menu and select Insert Bibliography. And you should see the source that we created earlier populate this field. And so now we need to save our document. So we need to open the File tab and open the Save As tab. And then open the Browse dialog box. And then you'll navigate to an external storage device and then click Save. So you want to save either on your stick drive or on a cloud service because Our computers wipe every night, and so if you save to the desktop, you will lose your work. Thank you.